IT space and digitalization in particular is very exciting when it comes to the banking sector. The increased advancements in the space delivers a lot of challenges, but also opportunities on the back of those challenges for banking. Banking is a very established sector. There's a lot of older technologies supporting the core banking systems, their backbones, but at the same time we see startups and fintech type space moving ahead very rapidly with newer technologies. So the question for the bank is how do they adapt while maintaining their core governance, their governance around data and governance towards regulation and deals such as PCBS 239. We find that a very exciting space where we can either start deploying new components within core banking, utilizing cloud, making use of advancements in machine learning. Banks become more open towards machine learning in terms of their modeling process as well as automation in terms of compliance. And from there, we say how can we either adapt and change, or how can we create components that fill gaps and automate where the bank requires. We see a lot of clients wanting a more holistic view. Clients often have an enormous amount of data but struggle to see it in one unified space. You can obviously see it from a holistic perspective. It gives you a lot more power in terms of your analytics and your decision making, and that's ultimately where we can drive a lot of performance. So we think it's very interesting. As advancements come, technologies get increasingly complex, and so you need increased expertise, but you also need to understand business, finance, banking and risk very carefully. And for us it's quite exciting and imperative to have a team that can speak to both sides, that we combine experts, and we most importantly have good communication. We have expertise and personnel that can bridge communication between both sides in order to optimize what is delivered in terms of the solution and how well it's performed.